Okay guys, we have in our previous lesson we have used the prompt, we have used pass float to convert into decimal place, and we have displayed the values from the user on the screen. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to like further understand. So I'm going to give you another example. So the scenario is, let's say we want to add two numbers together and display to the user the result, but the result will be displayed using an alert, right? So we need to take two numbers from the user, calculate the result. So we need three variables, okay? var num1, num2, and we need the result. We need to keep the result, right? So first thing, I need to ask the user for num1 and num2. So num1, so I'm using prompt, and I ask them to enter value 1. Okay, so I put semicolon. Because it's an integer, I want to put a default value of 0. Okay, now remember guys, this is a prompt. Okay, whatever that I take from a prompt, it will be taken as a text, so I cannot do calculation, so I need to convert. Now assuming that num1 and num2 is let's assume that it is integers, so I need to convert into integer value. So how to convert? I use this particular function, open brackets, close bracket at the end. Okay, the same thing I'll be doing for num2. Okay, so please enter value 2, and then what I do a formula, result equals to num1 plus with num2, and I use alert. Okay, I want the alert to be a bit different, so I want it to have a mathematical formula, something like I want the results to be this way, like if they enter 3 plus with 4 equals to 7. I want in this format. Okay, so 3 will be num1, so I need the plus sign, so followed by plus. Okay, and then I join it with num2. Okay, and then I need the equal sign, and then join it with result. Okay, this is what I want. Alright, so let's try this. Okay, so save and then refresh. Asking for value 1, let's say I put 2. Asking for second value, let's say I put 12. So the answer should be 2 plus 12, 14. So I'll get this 2 plus 12 equals to 14. It's very simple. Okay. Now, let's say I made a mistake. Okay, I made a mistake. I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, at the end here, I forgot to put a semicolon, and I save this, and then I run. Okay, so it's asking for the first number. Let's say I put 20, and then it's asking me for the second number. Let's say I put 13. Okay, and then I have 20 plus 13 equals to 33. Alright, now usually by right I should have error here. Okay, so let me remove another one. Okay, let's remove one of the brackets, and then let's run this. Okay, if you have errors in your code and you try to run it, if the output gives you an empty browser, that means something is wrong. You keep on, you try to refresh, nothing is coming out. That means there is an error here. Okay, that's a simple way to identify where the error is. Okay, so what you can do is you can press on F12. Okay, go to your keyboard. Okay, look for F12, press on it. Alright, once you press on it, if Chrome, you have this kind of view. Alright, Now, can you see that X symbol over here? The wrong symbol? Click on it. Okay, and then you can see there's an error here. Alright, there's an error here. It tells you something is missing, and then it tells you which line. Line number 10. Is it correct, line number 10? Yes. Is it correct that the bracket is missing? Yes. So you put back all the necessary items, and then you save, and then you can clear this with the X symbol. You close it, and then you can start running it again. It will be okay. So whenever you want to check for the error, you click on F12. Okay.